All right, Penny, let's try and put you in here. I am gonna... It's impossible, Penny.
Right.
Today, Penny and I are going to be cooking a spiced rice pudding. I love to make delicious food for all the family that the kids will love with an adult twist. It is so, so easy. It's literally fat rice, hello, which we pour into a dish, and then 50 grams of unsalted butter, super easy, a bay leaf, a little bit of cinnamon, some sugar. I toyed with using vanilla pods, but actually I'm using vanilla essence because it's cheaper and the chances are you've got it in your cupboard. Then, oh, we need to grate some nutmeg. Now I don't think too much because I think it can be quite overbearing. We'll just give a little mix around. The trick is when you put it in the oven, you pour the milk in then. If you do it before, you end up with it all over the floor. I'm gonna put this in an 140-degree oven. I'm gonna pull out the tray, there, and then pour the milk in. Some weeks you can't get enough food in your children. So having something like a rice pudding is actually brilliant because when you kind of just don't really want to give them loads of snacks, it can just be quite good if you've just got a tray of something in the fridge and you can just scoop a bit out, chuck it in the microwave, and then he's happy. Oh wow, it smells really spiced and delicious. So that is spiced rice pudding. However, I've got boozy raisins. They've been soaked in black cardamom and masala wine and they're absolutely delicious. You leave them for about 24 hours and you just scoop them over your rice pudding. Meanwhile, your children can have a delicious spiced version. So everyone's happy. You're gonna have some? No.